In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on stabilizer in Krita. So to do this, first you must select the brush tool over here in the top left, and when you do so, you want to select the brush you want to use. So I'm just gonna go with this basic brush over here, and then to turn on the stabilizer, first go to settings up top, hover over Dockers, and enable this tool options Docker over here. When you do so, by default it should pop up over here in the top right, but if it doesn't, you'll notice wherever it pops up, it could be anywhere on your screen depending on your default settings. So you want to click on tool options, and here you have brush smoothing. So to turn on the stabilizer, switch from basic to stabilizer, and you can of course set different settings for the stabilizer here as well. And then if you go and start drawing like this, let me make it a bit bigger, there we go, like this, you'll see that I now have a stabilizer, and this is going to kind of put a brush around my brush, and of course it's now stabilizing, and whenever you actually draw using your mouse or whatever, you'll notice that it's a bit different, and it kind of feels like it's actually stabilizing much better. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.